In this video, we'll take a look at how to get started with the Mote Chrome extension, how to install it, and where you can use it for yourself and with your students. We'll start here by doing a quick Google search for the Chrome Web Store. And once you're at the Chrome Web Store, I'm going to come in here, we're going to type in Mote. We're going to find Mote here at the top. Click Add to Chrome. Now, if you are not able to add it, that could be that this functionality is disabled by your district. Simply send them the link to the Mote extension, which you can do by copying right here, and email that to the person in charge of your Google domain or IT department, and they can add that for you. All right, so now that Mote has been installed, you're going to see this little puzzle piece here up in your your extensions. Click there, and Mote's going to be right there. You're going to make sure you pin it. It's always available for you. So the first time here, you got to come up here and sign up with Google. It is a trustworthy company with your data. Enable these permissions, and your Mote account will now be set up. A few things. First time you have to find it, all this information here. And you'll get a 30-day unlimited trial. Got it? So now that your Mote has started, again for 30 days, you will get premium access, which means you can record unlimited amount of Motes up to 5 minutes. Those are the two probably biggest perks to the premium. Once your premium trial ends and you have not upgraded, you can do 20 recordings per month for 1 minute at a time. So that's how you get started. Now let's take a look at what this could look like in your Google account. The Mote will now exist when you go to Google Docs. So Google Docs, it does not exist natively within Docs. To add a Mote to here, you simply click right here. And you see this little toolbar here, and where you click here to create Mote, click here to record. And you have to, the first time you use it, you have to allow permissions. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, testing. There, when you're done, you want to put it in the doc. You simply click share, copy link, paste that link in here. And if you were to highlight this link, this URL, click right here, insert link, and now it becomes a hyperlink. And now when you hover over it, you have this little player right here of your recording. Now Mote also exists. If I was to take this text here, insert, and I go comment. Now Mote also exists right here. So get another option for you in Docs. This is also the same if you were also in Google Slides. Click here. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a comment for Mote. Comment. My recording is now entered into the comment. Now you can also use Mote in Google Slides. The commenting feature is exactly the same, but it's a little bit different here in Google Slides. So now it's built right here in the top toolbar here. So if I want to insert some recording, click here, do my recording, and I can record myself, or I can give it a this is a test of Mote, and then I can give it the words that I use any of these voices here, and it will read it in that voice. We generate, so take a second to think. So I can either record myself or use one of the AI generated voice. AI generated voices are also available in the free version. So if I click insert, it'll then insert a handy dandy little play button in your on your slide once it's done thinking. There it is. You can move it around anywhere on your slide. And then when the user hovers over it, here's this little quick little play button. Now the other place where you will find this useful is in Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, again, we'll go over here. If you were to leave an announcement in your classroom, once again, this is brand new. There it is. You'll see the right here the Mote button. And first time using it, every time the first time you use it on a new site, like you have to give it permission. And it's testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. This is a sample of an announcement in Google Classroom. So I post it, then you'll see your Mote recording is now entered as a an announcement here in Google Classroom. So one thing that you may want to consider with this is if you want to do have text and the recording, do the recording first, like this. Don't forget, kids, to bring your permission slips for the field trip tomorrow. So what I would do, I would click here, move that down one row, and put the actual text. Don't forget to bring your permission slips tomorrow. The reason why I do this, if I was to type this out and then hit Mote, it removes the text here. Can't explain why, but that's what it does. So if you want to have both recording and the text, can record first and then add the text above it or below it. Now I click there. So now they can read it and they can listen to it. If you have any questions on how to get started with Mote, I am only an email away.